Oh. Hey. Oh. Whoop. There you go. There you go. Oh. Day 3, boys. We're going to OB. Freddie's not dying anymore. Yeah, not as much. We reached the end of I-8. Isn't that weird? Sunset Cliffs Boulevard. Hey, I can see the skateboard from right here. What does that say? Geisler? Glycer? Hypoglycemia?
Glaucoma?
I got the glaucoma.
Guapa Galacagos.
Use the right lane to turn left onto Sunset Cliffs Boulevard. Then your destination will be on the right.
Uncle Cliffs? We're in New Mexico.
Hey, there it is.
Oh, dirty.
Your destination is on the right.
Okay, bitch, how do I get there?
Look, there's a parking lot right there, Denny.
Shut up.
Use your ojos.
Shut that fuck up.
Hey, look, dude, make a hard right through the grass, because, you know, we're in this fucking Toyota Tacoma. We just off-road.
Toyota.
T-O-R-Y-O-T-A. Toyota. How do I get to the fucking parking lot? That's the question. Right.
Traffic. Yes.
Wow, Google really turned into Apple Maps there for a second. It was like, there's the skate park. I'm not gonna tell you how to park there, you piece of absolute garbage.
Fucking random ass tree right here.
You gotta I believe. Look at these all these little bowls. Oh, excuse me, man. No, sir. You're good.
No, you follow me.
Whew. Sheesh. So grippy here. And never gonna slide out over here.
I'm trying to manual over that little roller thing.
Whew.
Go ahead, Aaron. Right. Right in front.
Yo. Yo. It's kind of like a cheese gratier version of Altos, but like nicer.
In a good way.
Yeah.
I'm fucking tired, Denny.
But no, seriously, tell me this doesn't have this a similar layout to Altos. Banks and downhill ledges, a pyramid, and then a Twinkie right there. There's a 3-block. There's bowls in the back. There's hips all over the place. There's a volcano in the back.
Oh yeah, that one. I was thinking that one. That'd be so sick if I could recreate Chad Curley's Manny line.
Oh, dang, Freddie.
Damn, Freddie.
Oh, shit!
Yoo-hoo. Oh! Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Yes! Woo!
Oh, almost it! Yo!
Yo! Yeah!
Good call out, Denny.
I wasn't paying attention. Yeah. We got them limited edition profile hubs. You see that over there? Wow. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. Aaron, try this manual on me. Sorry, I was trying to spin the wheel the other way.
He has brakes, bro.
Anyways.
Okay, bro.
Oh!
Stop pressing so hard.
That's what you get for doing it to him at Claremont.
What do you mean? He told me to do it.
Oh.
Oh no!
Jeez, that was a wild looking fall.
Yeah, well,
You got snaked again anyway.
I'm gonna fucking die. Oh yeah, I missed that whole thing. Feeling like Julio.
There you go.
Walmart version of our Altos pyramid.
Give him that.
The way I think of it is Los Altos is kind of like a Smith's, and then this is kind of like an Albertsons,
Yeah.
where it's like different theme, still kind of shitty, but like overall maybe a bit better. Oh, that moon! Aaron pooped.
No, I had that big part of that fucking little.
Well, yeah, it's fucking vert.
Did she shoot a flat?
Yeah.
AJ gotta do this bar.
Video of him talking to Fabio over.
Oh, I don't know who that is. I did the same thing you do. Right up that corner of the round.
Throw the
You got it.
Because the other day when I was like learning truck drivers, I didn't have to. It was like ghosts.
That was it.
So loud. Oh, okay. I hit the back of my cage. I thought I hit my screen.
There you go.
Everybody back home who says I can't bar spin. Took me 3 tries.
We never said you couldn't.
I
We just
choose not to.
tell you to do them.
I
and
choose
you're like,
not
no.
to. I choose not to.
Mykel's in the bowl. Whew.
Damn.
He's like us. It could be. I think he's a good driver. Yeah, he is.
I do everything backwards.
I do too. I think we're doing it the right way, and everybody else is doing it wrong.
That's what I think too. I spin it. I spin it the wrong way.
Woo!
I spin it the wrong way. How to coach.
I felt that this boxing kid, he's like hyped me up on it. Because it's like, it's so
damn.
hard.
Old guy. Yo. Oh.
Okay, that was a good one.
Yo can do it. Whoa!
You hit the fucking wall.
You good?
What the fuck happened?
Did you just like free coaster yourself?
It just went.
What the fuck?
Did I just break it?
Whoa, that's weird. How does that even happen?
Right?
Oh, Mykel's going nuts over here.
Your bolt broke or some shit.
Oh, your sprocket bolt broke.
Yeah.
Oh, your free coaster's fine. It was your sprocket bolt. Look,
Oh.
it had to have broke like around here, like right when you flew into me. Let me see.
Maybe it just got.
Oh, it just fell out. Yeah, you can put it back in. That's so weird.
Ouch.
That's so weird. It didn't break. It just fell out. You just gotta line it up right. Ow. Sorry. I'm trying to. There. What are you doing? Wait. Stop. It's right there. That's crazy.
That's fucked.
Like, how does that happen? He's literally got an elite.
There we go.
I got distracted by the elite hub. Do it again. Yes. There you go.
Get the whole thing though.
Oh, watch out. Elite man. Yo. Easy.
I got you back.
Right into Mykel.
Right.
Do you want to say hi to the vlog?
You live right now?
Yeah.
What do you do?
What?
Matter of time before you move here.
Yep.
See that happen.
Woo!
That's so just getting back into BMX.
Whoa!
It's getting worse and worse. I'm just gonna land straight on my back one of these trees. Sheesh machine.
Sheesh machine. Oh! Everything attacked you.
Yeah, I just caught.
I was like, don't hit that ledge.
Caught tranny on the skateboard.
I don't even fall doing anything cool.
Oh, there go Mykel.
I was gonna hit that hit, but I don't want to.
Oh!
Yeah, it looks like a fucking toe.
That toe needs to teach his son some skate park etiquette.
Yo.
Oh! Oh! Oh, no. The berries, no. Come on, zoom in. You can do it.
You good?
Wow, I still have them.
What'd I miss?
They're still there.
Picture like that rubber ducky noise though.
Oh. Woo. Yo.
Such a looking out of nowhere. That looks cool. Oh, it'd be so cool if you went back on.
Whoa, fuck. Oh, I should have just like landed that.
The fuck?
My foot.
My ass cheeks hurt. Feel like I'm Riley Reid or something. Car. Except for Aaron's turbo Honda will gap that shit. Freddie knows that. Denny knows that. AJ knows that. Get on the fucking bike, Denny! Jump on it!
What? I'm trying. Dude.
I'm not gonna lie, I didn't know what I was recording. Bad filmer. Call me Julio.
Fuck, what am I doing? I'm like leaning so far forward. It's not even that, it's just like I'm leaning so much more forward than I'm used to. So like when I go to jump into it, I feel like I'm just gonna like...
OTB. Shout out to these Vans mountain shoes. Got me on this steep mountain here.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Oh, really close that time.
No dead sailors, Denny.
Whoa, fuck. My foot was like barely on that. It was like the edge of my big toe.
Oh, you SpongeBob driving, huh? The fuck?
I see my fucking...
You can see it.
Fuck!
Bust that shit out, Tatiana.
Oh, see, that so far over.
You look good, though. My man's looking mighty swole today. Could be just his sunburn, buddy. Who knows?
I think I had this thing so grippy. If it wasn't, I would have died like 9 times by now.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the thing about this park. You're not gonna slide out here.
Yeah.
Normal parks are made of cement. This one's made of concrete. Whoa,
I was too slow now.
I didn't kick it at all.
Yeah. Yo, that fucking jet or whatever the fuck that was just put out all the audio of just everything.
Just gapped me.
It just gapped me.
Yo, first try. Yo. Oh, that was sick.
That's sick.
You're too close, Aaron.
Sorry. That's it. Woo. That girl had the biggest top teeth. I liked it. Yeah. I didn't know how fast to go.
Whoa!
Almost jumped right back on my bike.
It did.
It's so scary. If you look,
Oh my god.
looking at it, my slow motion, my right foot lands straight on my peg.
Oh. Woo! Holy shit, that was so cool.
I'm not going fast enough.
Steeper than it looks. Woo. Yo, you got it, Aaron. That was too fast.
Scary.
Yeah. Oh. Woo. Yo.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. That was sick.
Toe man got in the way. Woo! Whoa! Backflip flat. Manny, backflip, Manny. Oh, me. There's a foot jam whip right there. Just imagine it.
Fuck. I slowed down too much.
Why, Denny? Denny, you have me filming in circles. Yeet!
X Games.
Oh, you're on X Games mode.
Wow.
There you go. There you. That's it, right there, bad boy.
I will do this stupid thing.
No, Denny.
You case going up.
You case going up? Same. Fucking same. There you go. There you go. Right there. Oh, that was scary. Don't press in the bike. We have broke the Denny. Denny the big mad. Yo! The big waters. Fucking ant. An ant was crawling on me. Should have ate him. Just do it! Fuck! Then he's broken. Preston! No! No throwing your bike.
I saw DenDen doing something. I can do it. God damn it. Fuck!
Oh.
What the fuck?
Why?
Denny just wants to rage right now.
I'm over raging and I'm just like.
Your helmet, bro.
That's the thumbnail.
Yeah, yeah. Yo!
I talked Mykel into giving you guys the goods. Whoa! No, you're fine. If you guys are wondering why I parked like such an asshole, it's so I could bring a little bit of New Mexico over to California. Not to be a dick or anything, just so that I can give them a little culture like how they're giving me. Riri bear toes. Philly bear toes. Feel my fucking ass bear toes. Whew. Made it to the beach, Freddy.
I went to the Caribbean. Video, couple wheelies for the video. What'd you say? Alright.
It's so close to going inside your wheel.
Okay. Ooh,
Orgasm. How far do I walk until I have to like start swimming?
pretty far.
I'm just waiting for this shit to knock me on my feet. This shit's fucking crazy. A little brown boy from New Mexico doesn't know anything about this. If I look big.
Right, white.
Oh, bitch.
One last boardwalk cruise before we go home. Freddie's manualing.
That's for pulling. Imagine that? Never.
Whoa, AJ.
See that bottle of hay? That was cool, Freddie.
Freddie, do that again.
Why is there somebody driving on the beach?
Yeah.
That's a big ass ice cream. You see that bitch ice cream? That's bigger than her head. I'm gonna go watch it.
Until next time, Mission Beach. I'll miss you.
An attempt to make the same picture I did way back when.
In 2018
Yeah.
or 2019.
I tried so hard, but this sun isn't right.
Yeah, the sun's not right. It's a different kind of beautiful sunset.
No, yeah, I just wish that big thick cloud line would go away or just break up at least.
Yeah. Oh well. Next time.
Hey, there it is.
That's exactly what I need. You know what I need?
Then I have seaweed on my cock. I can feel it. Goonie goon. And then I come right.
Hey. Hi.
Is that a fucking linguini car?
What?
Is that a linguini?
Where? Oh, hey. That is a linguini. Yeah, just right here. Just pull off this side right here.
Can I come in? Oh! Where are the white women at? White women? Where are they at?
Where are they?
Damn, fucker. Wait, hold on. Oh, shit. Oh, the bike.
Literally.
The bike.
Literally the bike.
We're going home, boyos. Fuck. Fuck.
Top out Denny's car on the downhill right now?
Well, it's almost 4 in the morning. After the detour, it ended up being about 17 hours. And yeah, I'm ready to go die. At least I'm finally home.